My name is Mike Bruns. I'm from Casey Automotive in Palatine, and we have been a Bosch module member for the last 2 years. So in 2018, we joined the eXtra program to start collecting our points for Bosch products. And in 2022, we then joined the Bosch module program that gets us 2 times our points for any of our purchases. We get the rewards. The product is great that we install. The benefits of Bosch with just the eXtra program is great, and we love the Bosch module program and all the benefits and rewards that we get with the eXtra program. You can get kitchen appliances, gift cards, travel, business tools. You have a lot of options with this program. This program is very easy to set up and to be able to track the points that you're earning for your products. There's no reason not to be part of this program, being we're already ordering these parts on a daily basis. Who doesn't love getting free stuff with part purchases you're already making? If you are an independent repair shop, there's no reason why you shouldn't sign up today. You're selling the product, get the points.